Welcome to Research Business Daily Report, where serious market researchers come for news, insights, and commentary about their field. News information that impacts them both inside and outside their current place of work. On RBDR today, hints that the Clinton campaign's use of a hitherto secret algorithm may be the best explanation for why it lost. And then Ford's looking further 2017 Global Trends Report reveals several changing consumer attitudes, first about information and also at interactions with businesses, and both of them could impact the research field. RBDR is sponsored today and this week by QOasis, a self-service marketing research solution designed specifically for market research professionals. It is the only platform that delivers industrial strength, easy-to-use, unrestricted survey building blocks. Many of them provided at absolutely no cost to users and powered by the 22-year industry expertise of Socratic Technologies. QOasis limitations on questions or respondents in a DIY survey, well, there is no limit. And that is only one of the advantages that you get from using QOasis for your next DIY project. The others we'll outline for you at the end of today's report. Tom Siebert on MediaPost.com decided to delve into a Washington Post story about a complex computer algorithm called ADA that reportedly played a role in virtually every strategic decision that was made by the Clinton campaign in the recent presidential election. ADA was known only by a few Clinton operatives, and it was operated on a private computer survey that only a few elite aides had access to. Market research, of course, can't predict the future or what you necessarily should be expecting will happen. However, it is supposed to deliver insights that help make decisions. And algorithms are playing an increasingly important role in research. The original Washington Post story reported that tons of public and private poll results, plus intricate voter data from the campaign, had been fed into the ADA algorithm. The output guided decisions about where Clinton should go in her travels, how much money they should spend, and how much time should be spent, and it identified so-called battleground states that supposedly needed no attention. ADA said Michigan and Wisconsin were going to be safe wins. In the words of Donald Trump, wrong. ADA recommended celebrity endorsements and concerts, and that might have worked, for instance, with Jay-Z if the performer hadn't generated bad publicity and comparisons to Trump's foul language on the campaign trail. Opinions and decisions were repeatedly left to ADA to guide the campaign. Siebert questions whether bad decisions were the algorithm's fault, or was it the data that was fed into the ADA, or who actually decided what to feed into ADA. Moving on, Cheryl Connolly, Ford Motor Company's in-house futurist, discussed conclusions from the company's latest Looking Further with Ford Global Trends report. Christine Champagne on FastCoCreate.com explained that the information contained within the project included two leading research-related details. One, people are starting to see the downside of always being connected to device and to non-stop stream of information and entertainment. And some of the negatives, according to the report, people are recognizing that they are becoming more obese as a result and that they are becoming more sleep-deprived. And then there is the need to belong to a community. It's also very strong among people clear across the world. And people expect businesses to play a role in their community, and that also means to give something back. Now, what does that have to do with research? What a company stands for will actually have increasing importance in the viability of their brand, that according to Connolly, based on this report. That's your Research Business Daily Report, sponsored by QOasis, a self-service marketing research solution designed specifically for market research professionals. It is the only platform that delivers industrial-strength, easy-to-use, unrestricted survey building blocks and at virtually no cost to its users. And it's powered by the 22-year industry expertise of Socratic Technologies. QOasis is a giant advance in do-it-yourself work, and it actually is getting better month to month. Last November, there was an update built into the system, and those are continuing to happen. QOasis has no question or respondent number limitations, and it can link users to hundreds of online panel providers, and they can help target the proper audience for a survey. It can also gamify a survey via internal components, and QOasis can provide consulting and analytics services. Socratic Technology says QOasis is where marketing research budgets get a vacation. And it is so new and positively different than anything that you've seen in DIY work before, and yet QOasis developers are still looking for users' input, so that's a big opportunity for you as well. And that means that now is as good a time as any to visit the QOasis homepage at q-oasis.com. We hope you have a great research day, and of course that you'll be back here to see us tomorrow.